Alright, so welcome to this next riff. Let me play it for you first, and then I'm going to teach it to you. So check it out. It sounds like this. So you can see now we are combining single notes with our power chord. And this is where things get really fun and really interesting on the electric guitar, okay? So it's going to go like this. We are going to be starting off on the 7th fret, 6th string, play that note. Then we're going to go down to the 5th string, 5th fret, back up, and then back down again. Okay, so that's 7, 5, 7, 5. Then we're moving into our power chord with the 5th string root note and on the 7th fret. Okay, so then after we play it the first time, we're going to do a little palm mute. Okay, so that's 7, 5, 7, 5, 2, 2. So I'm doing 2 mutes, chord. 2 mutes, chord, 2 mutes, chord. So that's 7, 5, 7, 5, mute, mute, chord, mute, mute, chord. 7, 5, 7, 5, chord, mute, mute, chord, mute, mute, chord. And what I'm doing now as well, and this is really a kind of a one-time thing that you can only do on the 7th fret, is I'm letting the 6th string ring as well. So I'm actually playing that 6th string, and that's because we are playing a E power chord right now, and this is the note E. So this is the root note to the power chord, and that's why I can play this note here. If I were to play 1 fret further back, you see it sounds terrible. Okay, so it only works on the 7th fret. Okay, so that's 7, 5, 7, 5. Then it repeats itself. Okay, so this is the perfect tune to start adding in those single notes and palm muting at the same time. So this is the perfect exercise tune to do that. So practice this up now, take your time with it, and then in the play along we're going to be adding in that groove, and we're going to have a really fun time just jamming along to this. Okay? All right, I will see you in the play along. See you there. Bye bye.